Wallet Ninja. Have you ever felt like business cards were just gathering dust? Wallet Ninja decided to change that. They transformed the humble business card into a versatile multi-tool, offering up to 26 functions in one sleek card. From screwdriver to ruler, bottle opener to phone stand, this card isn't getting tossed aside. Available in various colors and customizable content, each card starts at $2.45. B2 Dog Tag. Bomber & Company's B2 Dog Tag redefines personal protection. Despite its unassuming appearance, this stylish accessory conceals a 2.5-centimeter blade. Equipped with a secure lock, this high-quality stainless steel blade serves not just for self-defense, but also as a handy tool for unexpected tasks. Starting at $40, it's a discreet yet powerful addition to your essentials. Unbound Merino. Say goodbye to luggage woes with Unbound Merino's revolutionary clothing line. These clothes remain fresh, clean, and odorless, even after 2 weeks of continuous wear. The ultra-thin material ensures minimal storage space, with hoodies taking up no more room than a folded t-shirt. Made from merino wool, they provide warmth without bulkiness and come with antibacterial properties. Starting at $165, these clothes redefine travel convenience. Philips 9000 NL. Maintain grooming perfection effortlessly with the Philips 9000 NL beard trimmer. Featuring a laser guide for precise shaving, adjustable length settings, and a dual-sided design, this wireless and waterproof trimmer simplifies grooming routines. Priced at $100, it's a game changer in achieving that perfect look. Beard Bib. Save cleanup time with the Beard Bib. For just $30, this ingenious invention attaches to your mirror with suction cups, catching stray hairs as you shave. No more sink mess, just shake the dirt-resistant fabric over a garbage bin for hassle-free cleanup. Innovations like these are changing the way we approach everyday tasks, making life simpler and more efficient.